Hey guys, it's me Liana. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm at Knott's Berry Farm. And I'm literally walking so fast because right now I'm gonna go on a ride. So before I do go on the rides and show you guys stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and a lot more. And these are my two brothers. Say hi, you guys. Hey guys. And yeah, so that's where we're at, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. I think. Bye. You made it. Let's go on the ride. Come on. Let's go, baby. Finally, you're not short. So we're going on this roller coaster. No. And I'm really happy, so that's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm literally vlogging you guys, and people are just staring at me, but to be honest, I don't care. So this is the line. Guys, wait.
And please remember to keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times.
What's going on with me? Guys, we have to go with someone. Are you excited? Let's go. I don't know. Sure, yes. This is my first. Hey, David. No? We gotta put our stuff over there. I know. I have to. Okay, so this is what the ride looks like, and it goes in a loop. That's why you have that thing. After, let's go to the Jaguar. And it goes that high. So don't go over like that. So you want to go on the long ride? Your big dome is...
Riders, please prepare for launch. Place your head against the headrest behind you and hold on to the handrail in front of you.
All clear, dispatch.
Okay, so we just got off of this ride and my hair is literally freaking, I don't know, it's like snatched. Okay, so the next ride, what ride are we going on next? We're going on the log ride, so I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so right now, I think it's the scary part. There's 2 drops in this ride, and I'm scared. And I gotta hide my phone because we're gonna drop right now. I love you guys. Bye! Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know when the scary part is coming, but all I know is I'm gonna get my phone wet. Guys, this is so lit. The scary part, I'm gonna die. Go with my phone. Okay guys, we're gonna go on the drop right now, and I don't care. I'm gonna move my phone. Or maybe not, I'm not too sure. Okay, we're gonna go on the drop.
Fire in the hole!
Okay guys, that was it for today's video. It's currently 11 p.m. and I'm on crack. Because you know me, I'm always on crack. And sorry if you can't see me. Now you can. Yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. And I love you guys so much. Bye.